morning, guys. Yeah, Pretoria on Hockey Tour. Sorry about this, but I'm just going to be briefing you on the environmental factors affecting the mining industry. Maintaining and sustaining the environment is becoming more important for businesses in the mining industry. There are many factors adding to this, such as the increasing social and regulatory pressures and the increasing cost and scarcity of energy and water. The environmental factors and risks facing mining companies arise as a result of the way mining companies perform their operations, and these affect things like climate change, energy, pollution, and the surrounding community. Climate change. Mines produce a variety of greenhouse gases such as sulfur dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases contribute to global warming. The potential drawbacks and issues that arise from climate change include the following: effects on infrastructure, operations, and the supply chains of mining companies. With the worsening climate being detrimental to mining, there is therefore more emphasis on regulating and reducing environmentally harmful emissions. The move to reduce these emissions is, okay, this is where I started reading, but how long have I gone so far?
1 minute 16.
Okay, the move to reduce these emissions is as important as it is expected that most supply chains will eventually involve the reduction of emissions, and will also help with the integration of impending regulations such as the Carbon Tax Act. Climate change is an occurrence that affects the environment worldwide, and worldwide weather extremes such as high temperatures and excessive rainfalls can heavily impact. For example, Exara's Grootegeluk pit was flooded in March 2014 due to unusually high levels of rainfall. This caused production to fall by 70% of the normal levels. With the uncertain weather patterns, an incident like this is a possibility if prevention measures are not implemented. Land transportation routes can be heavily affected by increasing rainfall, ruining the soil and the tracks that vehicles transport the goods over. With rising temperatures, it increases the risk of heat-induced illnesses, and these illnesses can lead to a decrease in concentration and potential fatal accidents happening by the people operating the machinery. How long is that?
2 minutes 40.
The effects of the heat mining operation will also increase the chance of wildfires, which therefore would damage the infrastructure that's not good. Rising temperatures will also inflate the demand for energy to cool underground mines. Increased energy demand and rising prices will therefore increase the overall costs. Okay. This isn't good, Bex. A recent